infect people with the proper mood. So as human beings, we are affected by other people's moods. It is very, very easy to feel sad when somebody else feels sad, to feel excited when other people feel excited. We have the power to create the perfect mood to influence people. What we want to do is be relaxed and pleasant or pleasurable, to make people feel that this person, it's very comfortable to be with this person. We want them to feel that they are accepted by us. We want them to feel that they are not being judged. By controlling our mood, we infect or we influence their mood. And if they're experiencing a positive mood with us, the chance that they will be more influenced by us, the chance that they will like us, that they will be more willing to help us is higher. Yana?
就是呢，这个 infect people with their proper moods， 意思就是说，以适当的心情去感染人们，就是我们有我们有一个就是创造一个情绪，并且用这个情绪感染别人的能力。所以说，如果想让对方变得比较好的话，那我们自己要先变得宽容一点，就是对待别人的那种，就是我们自己情绪要放宽心。然后通过控制自己的情绪，我们也会影响别人的情绪。然后呢，如果这个情绪正面的话，那别人就会慢慢的就会对我们有好感，然后也愿意去帮助自己。I'm finished.
All right. The example here is going back to Lyndon Johnson. Lyndon Johnson had a very, very nice way of affecting other people's moods. He would invite the other senators into his office, and he was very good at telling jokes. He would tell dirty jokes. And also he always had alcohol. He would always invite the senators to come for drinks in his office, and he created this kind of mood of a very relaxed and fun environment. Also, he used to he would touch people on their arm or on their shoulder, because that creates the mood of friendship and a friendship. It allows people to feel more comfortable with you and to like you. Diana?
就是说那个谁之前讲的那个 Lyndon Johnson， 他就是一个很擅长控制自己情绪以及以自己的情绪感染别人的人。然后他很擅长去创造一种比较轻松的氛围，比如说他会请自己的朋友来家里边喝酒，然后就大家都就是那种气氛就很好。然后他也很擅长去用一些肢体语言，比如说去碰别人的肩膀啊，或者是胳膊呀、手臂啊什么的，让别人觉得他对周围人都很亲切。对，就这样。I'm finished.